Lark, Songbird, is being proposed to by the greatest songwriter in the world, Bob Dylan. In a song, he proposes in his song, "I've made up my mind to give myself to you." Jesus Christ told to Mary Magdalene, "You are you." So Bob Dylan is saying, "I made up my mind to give myself to Mary Magdalene, the only woman good enough to be equal to Jesus Christ." And she said, yes. Stay tuned for more details. Sir Paul McCartney already asked Mary Magdalene to marry him in a song many years ago. "Michelle, my wedding vow, I love you." So I am saying, Michelle, I love you too.